Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic, the psychology of money. Your relationship with money is about more than just numbers. It's about emotions, habits, and the stories you tell yourself about wealth. By the end of this video, you'll understand how your mindset affects your financial decisions and learn how to develop a healthier relationship with money. Money isn't just a tool. It's a mirror that reflects your values, fears, and ambitions. The psychology of money explains why we make certain financial choices, whether they're logical or emotional, and how our upbringing, experiences, and environment shape our money mindset. Let's start with emotional spending. Have you ever bought something you didn't need just because you were stressed or bored? That's your emotions dictating your wallet. Studies show that we often use money as a coping mechanism, which can lead to financial regrets. Next is the scarcity versus abundance mindset. A scarcity mindset makes you feel like there's never enough money, leading to fear-based decisions. In contrast, an abundance mindset focuses on opportunities and long-term growth. Habits play a huge role in how we manage money. From saving consistently to avoiding lifestyle inflation, the small decisions you make every day determine your financial future. Another key element is how you perceive risk and reward. Some people avoid investing because they fear losing money, while others take excessive risks chasing quick wins. Understanding your risk tolerance can help you make better financial decisions. To transform your relationship with money, start by being aware of your financial beliefs. Ask yourself, what messages about money did I grow up with? How do my emotions influence my spending? Am I making decisions out of fear or opportunity? Shift your focus from short-term satisfaction to long-term goals. And remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset. By understanding the psychology of money, you can break bad habits, build wealth, and find financial peace. Which of these concepts resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.